what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's Maldevta Wow back again with a very new fresh video, guys. Today we are planning to go to a very beautiful place here at Dorado. So we're going to get book a new scooting. We're just next to the ICFI, Dorado ICFI, guys, and it is a bike and rent. Let's go talk to them. Let's get a new scooter, guys. Hi everybody, the voice is very clear. Hi. So अभी हमारा पेट्रोल हो चुका है ख़त्म. बीच रास्ते पे खड़े हुए हैं हम. अभी हम जाने वाले थे सिद्धवाला से लेकर मंडवाला तक. बीच रास्ते पे हमारा पेट्रोल ख़त्म होने की वजह से हम फंस चुके हैं. सो और एक मेरा दोस्त है पेट्रोल लेने गया है पेट्रोल पंप पर. सो उसी वक्त हम ओह look at him. This one is chicken barbecue.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Aku capek anu itu. Hah?
Raise your hand, bro. Wow, that's amazing. We are on the way to Maldevta, our final destination for today. It's quite awesome. The roads are under construction right now, and we are very much blessed to get a free day today, and we're enjoying it. College was at Chikontia. Maybe it's big inside. She's like that, so Defense College.
Which plant is medicine?
Uklogo.
You know that plant?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hi guys, our track is all over. Our waterfall enjoyment is all over. Everybody dressed up again. We're on the way back to home. The roads are very much unsafe here. Even the environment is not unsafe here. It's unsafe here, guys. It's not safe. Only the place looks good. That's all. We're back home right now. Let's go.